Silas, very serious question I want to ask. 31st December was the deadline for seat sharing. I hope it is going to happen by then. And after that, I was, as a political analyst, under the impression that there will be many joint rallies that, all parties will come together and do and, create the sense of its strength as the India Alliance opposing Narendra Modi and the BJP in the elections of 2024. With Rahul Gandhi being busy for 65 days from 14th of January till 20th of March, where will be the united front, number one? Number two, is it also, some people are saying, a sulk because आपने तो खड़गे जी का नाम ले दिया है. Some parties have said that खड़गे जी should be the prime ministerial face. So Rahul is reasserting himself as the Congress's face and starting this yatra. How does your party see it?
Navika ji, I can just talk about Uttar Pradesh because Samajwadi Party has a role in Uttar Pradesh, a big role. And as far as Uttar Pradesh is concerned, I don't think there is any problem excuse me, regarding the sheet sharing, because we have already started that process.
कितनी सीटें दे रहे हैं कांग्रेस को?
The people who are going to fight from the Samajwadi Party have already given their applications and they are coming to the office. I was also there in one of the meetings. So the process has already started. I cannot guarantee what seats we are giving to the Congress, but definitely Samajwadi Party has a big heart because in 2017,
3 seat, 5 seat, 8 seat, 9 seat.
We in 2017 we gave a lot of seats to Congress because
more than what Akali ke BJP Punjab.
Yes.
More than
because last time also to the BSP.
मध्य प्रदेश में क्या हुआ? चिरकुट पार्टी चालू.
2019 we learn from our mistakes.
2019 में हमने 38 सीटें मायावती जी को भी दी थी. हमने 37 सीटों पे लड़ा था चुनाव. तो हम समाजवादी पार्टी का दिल हमेशा बड़ा है. समाजवादी पार्टी है ना, नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट इज वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल.
इनका दिल बड़ा है, परंतु आईपी सिंह कहते हैं कि द्वार खड़ी है बारात और नहाने चली समधन. अब बताइए, अब बताइए. आईपी सिंह का बयान है. अब वो देखिए तहसीन पूनावाला जो समधन के रिश्तेदार है, उनके शक्ल की भावभंगियां देखिए कि वो तो नहाने जा रहे हैं, ये बोल रहे हैं आपके समाजवादी. और बड़ा दिल है.
शुभ काम करने से पहले नहाना ही चाहिए. अभी आप लोग शुभ काम नहीं करते, इसको हम क्या
शायद मुहावरा नहीं समझ जाए.
अरे शुभ काम करने से
बारात आने पर नहाने जा रही है समधन, इसका मतलब ये है कि बहुत देर कर दी.
स्वागत कर रहे, कोई देर नहीं, कोई देर
उनको शायद समधन का मतलब समझ नहीं आया, पंजाबी नहीं है. बट आनंद रंगनाथ, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड टू व्हाट यू हर्ड ऑन दिस डिबेट.
नाविका, रिस्पॉन्स से पहले मैं बस सिंपल येस नो सवाल फ्रॉम माय ब्रदर तहसीन पूनावाला. तहसीन, डू यू एग्री और डिसएग्री विद सैम पेट्रोडा स्टेटमेंट दैट द ईवीएम्स आर rigged?
He agrees. He's the original petitioner. But
no, I don't agree. It's rigged. I think there needs to be more transparency in EVMs. It's a long debate, but there has to be certain amount of transparency, irrespective of Congress winning it. But that's a long debate. We'll go on that in some other day. There should be transparency, more transparency.
As on many other things, Anand Ranganathan, इस पर भी clear stand नहीं है.
No, my petition is for transparency.
Clear stand नहीं है.
100% VVPAT.
हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. Depending. अगर हम हार गए तो EVM खराब है. हम जीत गए तो EVM की जय हो. EVM की जय हो.
Even in Karnataka and Telangana, 100% VVPAT.
Next question, Anand Ranganathan. Any other questions?
No, of course, absolutely. But this question goes to Mr. Silas. Mr. Silas, what is that one idea that the opposition has that is going to win it 2024? And I'm talking specifically of one idea. For example, I'll give you an example. The idea that Narendra Modi had was Swachh Bharat and 120 million toilets, 100 million gas connections, 260 million Ayushman cards. He's come clean on those ideas. He's realized those. The idea that Rahul Gandhi had was Nyay, जिसकी यात्रा निकालने वाले हैं, was that almost equivalent of universal basic income. अब मैं ये आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, आपके पास ऐसा एक आइडिया क्या है? एक आइडिया बता दीजिए.
The idea is to save India. The idea is to save the democracy of India. We have just seen how the democracy was sabotaged very recently in the parliament when 146 member of parliament were suspended from the parliament. This is no way to run the democracy. The only idea is to save India and to save the democracy.
The idea is to save democracy. Imagine in Kerala they are saying Pinarayi Vijayan is killing
We
democracy.
are talking about
He's a
the central
coward and a
government,
psychopath.
sir.
In Bengal
You
they
are
are
going to
saying
Kerala,
Please don't
you are
interrupt.
going to
In
different
Bengal
states.
they are saying Mamta Banerjee is killing democracy. In Punjab they are saying खेड़ा को गिरफ्तार किया, आम आदमी पार्टी is killing democracy. और फिर सब आके दिल्ली में बोल रहे we'll save democracy with these people. दूसरी बात यह है न्याय स्कीम का क्या हुआ भाई? न्याय स्कीम लॉन्च हुई थी 2019 के पहले, चुनाव के पहले 5 वर्ष हो गए, उसके बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोल रहे. अब न्याय यात्रा निकाल दी. तो मेरा ये कहना है, देखिए मैं बताता हूं, भारत जोड़ो यात्रा के समय पर एक सुन लीजिए, भारत जोड़ो यात्रा के समय पर 11 चुनाव, नहीं नाविका प्लीज डोंट लेट हिम इंटरप्ट, ही डज इट पर्पसफुली. 12 भारत जोड़ो यात्रा के समय पर 11 चुनाव हुए, उसमें से 8 चुनाव कांग्रेस हारी, जबकि मोदी जी ने जब अपनी गारंटी की बात की तो 5 चुनाव हुए, उसमें से 3 हम जीते. अब बताइए क्या स्ट्राइक रेट आपकी भारत जोड़ो का?
Well,
can I answer to that? The fact is there was a Nyaya scheme. It was implemented in Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh. You lost.
It's also implemented हुआ राजस्थान में
and Chhattisgarh.
छत्तीसगढ़
and it was
में
implemented in
कितना रुपया मिलता था सबको पर मंथ?
6,000.
क्या बोले जा रहे, कुछ भी मतलब बोल के चले निकल जाना है.
72,000 a year.
कुछ भी 72,000 a year was being given to every family.
The Nyaya scheme.
One
For the
second,
unemployed.
I request all the viewers of Times now put out where 72,000 rupees per month per year was being given to every household in Chhattisgarh. If not, Tehsil will apologize on this channel tomorrow.
ladies and gentlemen, will Rahul Gandhi's Nyaya Yatra strengthen the India alliance or will it ruffle more feathers? Will it create the desired result for the Congress party? The jury out on that. The Nyaya scheme, as Shehzad said, bit the dust in 2019. Will the Nyaya Yatra be different this time? Well, all of us are watching. Thank you very much to my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Be safe.